This right here is why it takes me so long to do stuff. She's a sweetheart. This one's a good one. She's a mess. I'm working on my handle though. What are you gonna miss, Mittens? This is Miss Mittens. This one looks a lot like our Boston Terrier. I mean, almost a splitting image. Ain't that right, sister girl? What's up, girl? She's a sweetie. Alright, come on, girl. You gotta get down. This is my screwdriver handle. Smoothed out, the got sanded. I'd just be doggone. This cat'll kill me. Ain't that nice? You see the cat's tail. See those cats cornhole. But anyway, that's the handle right there. I'm gonna drill a hole in it. I don't think I got any more glue, so I'm gonna have to get some more glue. But once I do, we'll get the we'll get the shaft put in. We'll get the shaft put in, and we'll look at it like that. But I like the handle. I think it's gonna be good for that size chisel. I took the chisel out. Where are you at, chisel? I took this chisel out of the other handle that I made the other day, and I'm gonna put it in here. I think that'll be a better grip anyway. And I took the little Phillips head screwdriver I'm gonna put in here in this handle that I made the other night, and I think it's gonna be all right. I think it's gonna be good. I think that'll be a better fit, and this will be a better fit for that. Where you at? Like that and stuff. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm kind of pleased with that screwdriver handle. It looks a lot like a lot of those old-timey wood handle screwdriver handles. But I got it sanded down. I got the block made and everything. So I think that's going to look good, especially after we treat it either. You know, I got some cutting board oil, and I got that linseed oil, and I don't know which one's better. I may. Cutting board oil is more for more food grade. That's what you make cutting boards and stuff with, and that's what you kind of use to clean that up with and treat it. And the linseed oil is more for, you know, everyday handle, you know, stuff like that. But I haven't made my mind up which one I want to use. This is that poplar. I don't know if it's really truly classified as a hardwood. Poplar is a hardwood or not. But it's pretty cool to it's pretty good to chisel with. Hey, killing me. It's pretty good to chisel because it holds up. I think I'm probably gonna have to end it tonight right here, because she's done got to where she's just demanding attention. She'll kill you. Look at her. She's sweet as she can be, though. I can't deny her. Look at her. I mean, what do you do? I got another one over here too. Thinks she owns this place. Mittens. So that's my handle. Everybody see my handle? I like my handle. Probably gonna have to end it right there. I think she knows that I'm recording, and she's a ham. She's a hot dog. I ain't got enough mustard in that darn kitchen in there to cover this hot dog. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? She's a sweetie. I can't say anything. I got a bunch of wild ones that like to hang around here, but this is a good one. I like to use this bit and brace drill because it forces me to I don't know if y'all can hear that. I hear coyotes. Only I might not be able to hear that. But anyway, I like to use this bit and brace right here because it forces me to be steady, and it forces me to pay more attention to what I'm doing. Whereas if I just had my hand drill, I mean, this will fit in the hand drill, just and then that'd be it, you know. But I go too fast sometimes, and this forces me to pay more attention to what I'm doing. It forces me to remain straight. I can sit here and watch it. I can put this in a ratchet mode to where, of course, I'm not deep enough to do that. But it forces me to pay more attention to what I'm doing. And I can also control what I'm doing better by doing this. By doing this motion, I can control. If I'm going a little crooked, I can kind of back it up a little bit and going straight. I feel like a lot of times if I use this bit and brace drill, that I can control it better than I can with a hand drill. I mean, I got a hand drill. I got a nice DeWalt hand drill up here, but it does pretty good. And it does pretty good. I mean, I can zip this on in there with no problem. But if I want to stay true, this is probably the best bet for me to use this. All right. So I can eat up all I want to eat up. You hear the ratchet? It's got a ratchet. It'll ratchet both ways if I want it to, or I can set it in the middle and it'll just be a standard, standard drill. The only bad thing about it, here's the ratchet. The only bad thing about it is you got to kind of put a lot of pressure on it to get it to catch. So, man, and it'll wear you out a lot quicker than a regular drill is. But like I said, if you want to remain straight and you want to have to make yourself pay attention, this is probably the best way to do it. Because for one thing, it's a lot slower, and faster isn't always better. So, and this is just it's a little bit bigger than a pallet hole, but I want to go ahead and make sure that I've got a good hole going down, good hole straight going down before I put the next size in, and this does a good job of that. All right. This is the pair of vice grips that I put in there to do the electrolysis on, and it works. I mean, it's working pretty darn good, I have to admit. I only had it in there for 5 hours. 5 hours. But y'all hear them coyotes? Man, they all over the place out here. Y'all hear them? Man, they are all over the place. Man. Anyway, this is the piece that I was working on that had the osmosis. I mean, not the osmosis. Why do I keep saying osmosis? Electrolysis on. And now you can actually work them at the very least, And like I said, sweetie, I love you to death, but you gotta get your big old fat butt down. This is the piece that had electrolysis on. Now you can actually work them at the very least. So we're gonna put it probably put it back in here tomorrow. Let it set for another little while. Let it set for a while and try to get some of this other stuff off. I don't know if y'all can see this stuff right here. Try to get some of this other rust off. I think what it is my container's too big. So it's got a lot of stuff to conduct, and but at least it's working. And the screw, see, I can screw the screw in and out now, whereas before I couldn't do that. So I think this is really going to work for me. I mean, I got a lot of tools right here that are rusted. When my father-in-law passed away a couple of years ago, so all I do is move cats. When my father-in-law passed away a couple of years ago, he left around a lot of tools, and I guess they've kind of been bequeathed to me a little bit. And some of these, like these are original, like vice grips. I know everybody keeps talking. A lot of people keep saying, yeah, I got a pair of vice grips. But these are original vice grips. So I really kind of want to restore them if I can. And kind of clean them up a little bit. If for no other reason than sentimental purposes. But it's that electrolysis does real good, so I'm kind of pleased with that. So I'm gonna probably leave it. I think the bigger your container is, the longer it takes to actually work. So I'm gonna clean them up a little bit, and I'm gonna put them back in tomorrow and let them sit for a good little long while. Of course, 5 hours ain't nothing to really shake your head at, but regardless, we're gonna do that, and I'm kind of pleased with the results, because I can see a lot of the how about that? I can see a lot of good results with that. So that's where we're gonna go, and we're gonna go ahead and call it a night for tonight, and we'll see where the video continues at, where it winds up at. Miss Mittens says good night too, don't you? All right. Hey, Mittens says goodbye, and she hopes that y'all watch all the other videos as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ain't that right, sister? Now I'm bent over and she's laying on my back like I'm her personal toy. I'm her bed. Look at her. Hey, watch the other videos. I hope y'all enjoy this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's nothing to subscribe. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Just makes it a little easier for y'all to find the videos. We have a regular video to produce every Monday. And, ow! Ow! She doesn't realize her claws are killing me. But I hope y'all like it. Thanks for watching.